Hi everybody, it's Miss Lorenz. I'm going to go over Unit 2, Lesson 7. This is about creating double number line diagrams, which are going to be a really helpful piece. Thank you. Which are going to be a really helpful piece for you in this unit. So in the first problem, we have to look at the relationship between blue water and yellow water. We're making a shade of green water. And we know that our one batch has 1 part blue water to every 3 parts yellow water. So what I'd like you to do is just check your double number line to see if it matches mine, and then we'll answer the questions here. And so first of all, we're looking at how much yellow water should be used for 1 milliliter of blue water, and circle where we can see that. So that's what I've circled right here. And then we have to figure out how much yellow water should be used for 11 milliliters of blue water. So to get from 1 to 11, I have to multiply by 11. So that's what I'm doing here. 1 times 11 is 11, which is right here. And so then I'm going to take the 3 that correlates with the 1, and I'm going to multiply that by 11, and I get 33. How much yellow water should be used for 8 milliliters of blue water? So what I'm going to do is look right here. For 8 milliliters of blue water, that's what I have right here. I'm going to take the 4 milliliters of blue water and I'm going to double it, because 4 times 2 is 8. And then I'm going to double the 12 times 2 to get 24. And then I know that for 8 milliliters of blue water, I need 24 milliliters of yellow water. So why is it useful to know how much yellow water should be used with 1 milliliter of blue water? So this, you're going to find, you guys, that once you find that value that has a 1 in it, we call that the unit rate, or the unit amount, you're going to be able to figure any of the other amounts out. So let's take a look at this one. You can see I had a little bit of a hard time drawing straight lines here with my little pen on my little screen. A recipe for art paste says that for every 2 pints of water, mix in 8 cups of flour. So you can see that original recipe right here. And then you needed to figure out what this would look like if we had 6 equally spaced tick marks. So I just started at 0, 0, and then I counted up from 0 to 6. And so you can see that there. And now that I have a double number line created, I can answer all these questions. How much flour should be used? Why is that happening here? That's so weird. Sorry, guys. Oh my gosh. So weird. All right. How much flour should be used with 10 cups of, or 10 pints of water? So if I just take the 2 and I multiply by 5, I get 10 right here. And then I have to take the 8 times 5 and I get 40 cups of flour. How much should be used with 24 cups of flour? So I'm going to take the 24 here, and I've already correlated it with the 6. If I want to double check that, I can take 2 times 3 is 6 and 8 times 3 is 24. And then how much per pint of water does the recipe use? Remember, this is our unit of amount. This is the piece that's really going to help us to really solve any of these problems. My unit amount is for every 1 pint of water, I need 4 cups of flour. All right, the last one we had to look back at the tuna recipe, which was, I think, lesson 5, so that we could see how much tuna was in one batch. And I found it. It's 6 ounces of tuna in one batch. And that goes along with 10 ounces of cream of chicken soup and 3 cups of elbow pasta. So I've labeled my double number line with the labels ounces of soup and cups of pasta. And I know that this, what I've circled right here in blue, is one batch. And so my question is, if we use 30 ounces of tuna, how much soup do we use? Well, there's 6 ounces of tuna in one batch. So 30 ounces would be 5 batches, right? And so I'm going to need to go up to 5 batches from this one batch. So if one batch is 10 to 3, then I'm going to multiply that by 5. 10 times 5 is 50, and 3 times 5 is 15. And there I have my amount. I need 50 ounces of soup. All right, sorry for the glitches there. Hopefully that helps. Thanks for listening.